no proof that they did any experiments, and whether they did, they didn't mention it that they did. And they did not measure the drop size, which could be measured without very advanced tools. And those formulas were not used, which they showed, and they did not explain the differentiation whether an aerosol would form or a gel. And they did not tell that what the constants and the variables in the formulas were. So some things which are lacking. They did not relate the pressure and the angle of the spray, and they did not explain the difference between forming an aerosol and a gel. And they did not even talk about surface tension, which is a huge parameter. And they did not talk about the measures f-stop. Even if they did not explain it clearly, and they did not make sure whether it's an aerosol, which was the main requirement of the question. So, some parts of the discussion, slide 16, why this has been done. Why did you not measure the drop size? And they had some proofs of experiments. That's it. Right, discussions?
Video present.
They didn't.
So right. So but it would be considered your participation, and then next time you can come again, right?
Shouldn't it be 3 times before coming?
Twice. Because there's only 3 rows if you do that.
Okay, so you told us that in the experimental setup you would use lasers instead of image detection, which would be far more efficient, and you wouldn't have to use lasers. Like, it's really inefficient. So what's the defense on that?
The problem is that there is no experimental proof of which method is more efficient, but we are studying the properties of AOs, so not actually the efficacy of 2 experiments. First of all. Secondly, there is no such which proof do you have that femtophotography, which is we go by pixel of taking very pictures with very minute differences with the actual experimental laser, because lasers are also accurate, because their detection methods are at the speed of light, and the computer processing are giving consistently data and plotting them on the graph.
So are you saying that the computer also processes at the speed of light?
No, not the, of course not. The laser is tending, the laser is working at the speed of light.
So the laser is working at the speed of light. So of course, but the computer can process all the data at once. Of course not. So image detection would still be more efficient.
Image detection has to be analyzed by some expert, and in this case alone, there are some.
Yes, continue.
In image detection, we need an analyzer, not a computer, because we are saying we are actually spectating the differences between each image of frame of images.
But you still agree that it would be more efficient if you used analysis by computers, and if not use it, it would also be obviously cheaper.
In the reference kit I used, there were 7 to 8 methods, and there was no the actual performer did not mention that the efficacy of each experiment.
But that's like the fault of the reference kit, right? So what do you say about the nozzle type? We didn't talk about it at all. It was also a major factor.
Yes, the nozzle type. I can explain the types of nozzles right now.
Yes, right now, but that would be right now. No? Why didn't you explain?
Because we were discussing parameters, and I did not think to actually include nozzle types because it would be a bit out of the focus. Because we're talking about parameters, not the types of nozzle. Because each nozzle is using different types of parameters.
Wait.
So if we discuss parameters, we do not discuss the actual types of nozzles.
Yeah, but so you're saying that the nozzle type is not a factor